Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to use Wix CRM for managing client payments. So for this, I am here on wix.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your dashboard. Now from here, the first method is scroll down and there we have sales option. From there, go to all payments. So there you will find all the payments, whether it's pending or it's received. So you can find and manage all the payments from here. But if you want to manage your payments through CRM, so for this, what you can do is go to apps and from there go to app market. Okay, so now here we have the search bar. Simply search for Wix CRM or CRM here. So you will find multiple apps. Install the app and from there you can manage the payments too. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.